Morning, guys. It's a beautiful morning here at the salon suite this morning. See, I haven't painted anything yet. I was busy all week, so I didn't get to start painting. But today, it's a Saturday. I'm gonna already clean the salon, clean the bathroom, clean the hallways. I'm gonna change a door sticker. I have a door sticker I gotta go change on the front. And then I'm probably not gonna clean these rooms, but I'm just gonna see what the day, how far the day takes me. I'm gonna try and probably clean it. I'll probably not paint it, but I'm gonna start cleaning the floors and stuff like that. Making it look presentable, As you can tell, the walls are dirty right there, so I'm gonna clean it off, get it ready for paint. I already cleaned the daily rental room. I'm just gonna change some codes, get that up to ready for rent. So let's get to it. Let me get this sticker on and then let's get to it. So morning, guys. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday morning. I hope everybody in Florida was, safe. I know it messed up a lot of places, so we're gonna, they're gonna have to do a lot of cleanup and, it's a sad situation. It's beyond our control. It's the weather, But I hope you guys will, bounce back from it and build and rebuild and stuff like that, It happens a lot down there in Florida over the decades or the years, So I only hope they're safe. I hope, no one had any, major, well, let me not say that, because there was a bad tornado down there. They had flooding, they had the hurricane winds. People lost stuff, so let's not go around that. People lost a lot of items down there. I only hope, they walk away with their life and they could, start back. All these things, guys, are just material things. I know we work hard to get them and stuff like that, but it's best, when it comes to life or material things, they could take the material things, at least in my eyes, So, let me get to it. As I said, I'm gonna put this door sticker on and then I'm gonna start cleaning in here. I'm gonna clean the daily rental room. I already vacuumed it, so I'm just gonna, wipe it down, make it look presentable. So let me get started on that, guys. Give me 1 second. Yeah, so I removed the sticker already from here. It's right there. I'm gonna put another one right here. So see, I got one. I'm gonna put another one right here. All right, let's get these buckets clean. guys, so let's take this to the room. Alright, so this is the bucket. I'm gonna put soap water in there and wipe down everything first, and then you could start spraying some, use some bleach to, clean everything, clean all the chairs, clean the wash bowl, bleach it out. I'm gonna do all of that. Stay tuned. I'm gonna get some Fabuloso. Alright guys, so let's go empty the garbage. Outside real quick. Guys, it's hard to hold a camera in one hand and empty the garbage, so that might look crazy a while ago, but yeah, I just everyday thing, The weather over here kind of get cool. It is chilly. Feel like probably about in the 60s, maybe 50s in the morning time. That's how it is here in Georgia. Georgia pretty much this time of year it get cool in the morning and nights, and then daytime it get hot. So it's just one of them time that we're season of the year where you have to walk with your jacket, extra pants, what I'm saying right now, but then shorts, but you have to walk with extra layers of clothes. That way when it get hot, you could take that layer off. When you get cold again in the night, you could throw a jacket on. So everybody car right now is gonna have a jacket in there, or some kind of thermal or extra long sleeve shirt. It's that time of year where it's getting cold, so I'm in shorts. But personally, I can't wear long pants, so I have to wear shorts if you watch all the vlogs, you probably never see me in a long pants. Whether it's cold, it's hot, I'm always in shorts. The long pants thing, me's a real island man. It's like it when the pants rub against me, my skin, it make me feel like I'm claustrophobic, like it restricting my movements, or I don't like feeling when that material is rubbing against my legs, to be honest. Like jeans pants. I have jeans pants, long pants, but I just don't wear it because I don't like how it feel. Real island thing. I did cut out to be an island man, and I'm still an island man to this day. I just wear shorts every day. So anyhow, I already cleaned the room in the front. the daily rental, so that's good to go. Codes are changed. That's ready to go. The, you know, mopped it out, wiped down the furniture. You probably see that. I'm gonna probably hyperlapse that, you know, speed it up a little bit. So now I'm gonna work on this room and start cleaning down, you know, starting from the front, from the back right there towards the front. So I'm gonna clean, you know, the sink, the cupboards, clean them out, vacuum out what needs to be vacuumed, you know, clean off the walls, get it ready for paint. I'm just gonna take all these things out. See, we have like a piece of board right there, and you know, the extra cleaning stuff. I'm gonna take that power strip off the wall. See that little power strip right there? I'm gonna take that off. You know, and just get everything out of this room. I don't think I'm gonna mop the floors just yet. I'll do that last because it's gonna get dirty once, you know. Yeah, so let me start doing that, guys. Stay tuned. I got this room to do, and I have the room in the front. I got this room. Let me show you. I got this other room to do as well. So I'm gonna probably come over here and start getting rid of stuff. You notice it's not even vacuumed yet. All the dust from the sanding. So I'm gonna take all these things out, throw all these things out right here. I'm gonna throw these out. These are stuff that the tenant that was in here left. So I'm gonna take all those things out. You know, clean the cupboards, clean the cabinets out. You know, I'm gonna probably take this over to the restaurant. Get rid of these glass. There's a bucket right there. Just gonna get rid of everything. Yeah. Anyhow, give me a few. Let me head up the line. That room is done. This room right here is also a room that I'm gonna. This room is a room I just painted. This room, guys. I just painted this room like literally a week ago. This person wanted us to paint this wall. You probably watched the videos and see me painting it. They went ahead and moved over here. It was a makeup girl. She had me move everything over and set up her table, set up, you know, the mirror on the wall. They had me move this over, you know. See, they started putting their things in here, but for some reason she just bounced. It is what it is. See, they, you know, started moving in, but for some reason they bounced on us. Pretty much just left. So this room, we haven't heard from them. So this room, I'm gonna start taking the stuff back out. We sent several messages. They just didn't answer or returned or made a payment. Guys, my lips didn't dry. Bear with me. It's getting cold. So they pretty much just left everything. From time to time, you're gonna have that. So guys, don't take these things for granted. You could mess your credit up. You could this could weigh on you. You could end up in court. So we have a system here that if you don't pay and we don't hear from you, you got certain amount of days before, you know, you could claim your stuff and pay up what you owe. If you don't do that, you're gonna have a court date pretty much for the balance of the money. If these places are leased for a certain amount of time, you know, whether it's whatever agreement, 6 months, 1 year, whatever it is, right? So at the end of the day, you signed a lease. So if you default on that lease, we're gonna take it to court pretty much. So this room is in that process of going to court for the amount that was due. They kept working. We worked with them. Most of the tenants, we try to work with you know, work with them to not you know, fall behind. So sometimes if business is rough, and you know, they'll continue working and try to catch up. It's up to them. They could move out. They could, you know, end it or keep going, you know. So sometimes I think they just go a little bit over their heads, and this happens. But when it happens, don't leave, guys. Don't just bounce, you know. Call whoever you're renting, call the landlords, speak to whoever you need to speak to, and you know, work something out. Or if you just can't manage, you just can't manage. Let them know, let the landlords or wherever you are, you know that you're leaving. Don't leave on a bad term, because if you leave on a bad term, it's gonna mess your credit up. Because once we go through all of that process and do all of that, it's gonna be reported to your credit. So don't do that. You know what I'm saying? A lot of times we don't do that because we don't like messing up people's credit. We don't like taking you to court. But when you owe all this money and you don't respond, and the way it depends on the term you left. This room, you made us paint it. You knew you were gonna bounce and you left. You made us spend more money to paint the wall. We made you move into this room thinking that you could manage. It's a smaller room, cost less. So now we're gonna have to repaint this room. We're gonna have to fix all these holes that we put right here. And the room you left from, the bigger room, we have to pay to fix that room as well. So in cases like these, the money you owe, we will pursue it. In this case, it's not normally, sometimes we could work with tenants if they fall on hard time, we'll, you know, let certain things slide and, you know, let you out of the lease, stuff like that. But in a case like this where you went out and deliberately made us spend more money and owe on top of it, we got to do something about that. So it depends on the terms you leave on. So guys, if whether you renting here at this suite or you're renting at another suite or wherever suite you go, don't try not to leave on bad terms. If you know you can't manage, let the management team or the lease, whoever is leasing that place, let them know, talk to them, tell them what's going on. They could work something up for you. As I said, with this tenant, we've been working with them for the past couple months. They fell behind, they come forward, they fell behind, they catch up, they come, we work with you. But leaving in this, the place is not damaged, but you went ahead and let us paint it this place, and even you see how it's shiny. She was the one who chose the paint, and then she even said that the paint was too shiny, she wanted it flat, so she even wanted us to paint it again. Guys, it costs money to paint, labor. They buy their paint, but we gotta pay in labor. Whether I do it or somebody else do it, we gotta get paid to repaint a wall. Alright. When you put these things up and take them down, the brackets that holds them up, there's big holes in the wall. We gotta fix those. So as I said, if I'm doing it, I gotta get paid to do that. You know what I'm saying? When we put these mirrors up, there's holes that's left. So in this case, I'm just gonna repaint it back white. Call it a day, and get it ready for the next tenant. But as I said, this person, they'll be more than likely end up in court because they owe a lot of money. Most of you guys would say, why didn't we cut it off and stuff like that? Yes, but this was one of the person we were working with, trying to assist in their business, and so we allowed them to owe it. As I said, they were trying to catch up. They made that choice. We could have shut them down and tell them, hey, you gotta go. Let them out of the lease if they wanted to, but they chose to continue in this case, thinking that they would catch up. We didn't say, hey, stay. We give people the options and let them choose. You know what I'm saying? They are business owners. We just rent the space. So if you're falling behind, we're gonna say, hey, you think you'll be able to catch up, or you think you can catch up? If this is the end of the road for you, then let's call it quits and then we'll let you go. If it's a case where you feel like you could catch up and business is just slow for that week or that month, we'll work with you. A lot of times we'll be waiving late fees and stuff like that. However, them all, as I said, they could have suffered for the bad. So when this happens too much, then the good will have to suffer for the bad. So now going forward, we won't let you fall behind. If you're falling behind, you're gonna have to either leave or pay up what you owe. So it is what it is. It's something that we don't want to do. We don't like when businesses fail. If your business fail, our business fails. So we don't like when you fail. So we do whatever we can to assist you, you know, in what you're doing. We'll you know, waive late fees. We won't lower rent, because it is what it is. We're in a time where everything is going up. So there's no way we could lower your rent, but we could keep it that way, you know, for, you know, and not raise it. We could do that once you sign. So yeah, that's about it in terms of this little room right here. Let me get back down to the back and start cleaning the other one. Stay tuned.